My name is Ryan Perry,
My name is Ping Nai.
and this is Molecular Formula. Molecular formula is a chemical formula based on analysis and molecular weight. It is extended. It is the extended formula for empirical formula. It's used to see the actual molar mass of compounds. Uh, Determine the empirical formula if needed. Calculate the molar mass of the empirical formula. Divide the molar mass of divide the molar mass of the molecular formula by the molar mass of the empirical formula. Then multiply the subscripts in the empirical formula by the answer. The empirical formula for vitamin C is C3H4O3. Experimental data indicates that the molecular mass of vitamin C is about 180 grams per mole. What is the molecular formula of vitamin C?
First, we had to solve for empirical formula, so it was C equals 3, H4, O equals 3. Then step 2 is times the molar mass. So C equals 3 times 12.01. It will give us 36.03 gram per mole. Then H is 4, so we use 4 times 1.01. It will give us 4.04 gram per mole. Then there was O equals 3, and we use 3 times 16 equals 48 gram per mole. Then we have to add them together, and they will give us 88.07 gram per mole. Then we have to use divide. We have to use 180 divided by 88.07, and it will give us 2. Then we have to multiply the compound. So we use 2 times C3H4O3, and it will give us C6H8O6, and that was the final answer.
Alright, so caffeine is made of 49.48% of C, 5.19% of H, 16.48% of O, and 29.8% of N. What is the empirical formula? Find the molecular mass of caffeine if it is overall molecular mass 194.22 grams per mole.
Step 1, C equals 49.48, H equals 5.19, and O equals 16.48, and N equals 28.8. So first we have to divide it. So we use 49.48 divided by 12.01 equals 4.12. And then H we use 5.19 divided by 1.01 equals 5.14. O equals 16.48 divided by 16 equals 1.03. And N equals 28.8 divided by 14.01 equals 2.06. Then we have to divide by the lowest number. So we divide by always the lowest number, which means 1.03. So we divide by everything to 1.03, and that will give us C equals 4, H equals 5, O equals 1, and N equals 2. Yeah, right here. Next, we have to do we have to times the max. So we use C equals 4 times 12, and 4 times 12.01 equals 48.04. H equals 5 times 1.01 equals 5.04. 5.05. O equals 1 times 16 will give us 16. N equals 2 times 14.01 equals 18.02. Then we have to add them together. We use 48.04 plus 5.05 plus 16 plus 28.02 equals 97.11. So then we have to use 194.22 divided by 97.11, that equals 2. Then we have to multiply 2 on compound. So you use 2 times C4H5O and 2. So that will give us C8H10O2 and 4. That was the final answer.